Hello friends, welcome to my gardening channel growing containers. So I purchased some more succulents. These are donkey tail, bruise tail, and some agave, one agave, the rare variety of agave, and one I purchased one bruise tail and some donkey tails and one moonstone. So this is the package. I still did not open. These are my succulents. They packed very well, so let's see how they look. I am also very excited, so let me show you one by one. Our weather is very hot. I won't recommend you to buy succulent in this very hot weather, but if you get a good deal, I did not get any good deal, but these succulents are usually not available in winter, so that's why I purchased them. So this one is the first one. I think this one is the moonstone. They put some extra, you can see, extra cotton. Let me show you. They add some extra cotton in this, so I received them without any breakage. So this one is the moonstone. It looks beautiful and I received it very good condition. So I will plant them today because I don't want their roots to be struggle in very hot climate. So I will plant them as soon as possible. So this one is the first one, and let's see, let's open the second one. Okay, I have to open them carefully because they are very easily break. Okay, I break one leaf. I'm not sure what is this. Okay, so this one is the gift. They give me this gift. It is beautiful. So this one is the gift, and they add some soil as well, which is good thing. I love this gift. So now let's move on the third one. I have to do it very carefully because I am not sure how they place them. Okay, the other plant, I think this one is big one. Here you can see this one is the big one. So I purchased some hanging planters like that. So they pack very well. Let me show you. The plant, you can see it is beautiful. So let me place here and open it carefully like that. So this one is the third plant and second one from my purchase, I think. So this one is getting some, you see, due to heat they lose some leaves, but it is okay. So here is the third plant like that. I am not removing it from here so for now, but you can see it is looking good. You can see it is beautiful, and some soil is also left. So for now I have to place them in a indirect cooler area, otherwise they will get in shock within days. Okay, here's the second one. So let me show you here. Okay, let me move the cotton. So this is the separate plant. It was little bit tough than this one. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 plants so far, and let me show you the other ones. Here's some leaves. Okay, I think there are 2 of them. Let me remove slowly. Okay, so this one is the my most favorite one, the bruise tail. I order this shopping just because of this plant, because it was not available anywhere. So, and this is in very good condition. I love this plant, believe me, I love this plant so much. They add some extra soil in it. So here you can see there are 3 branches and the brooster is very beautiful. I love this plant very much. Okay, so these are the plants that I have opened so far. I love this one very much. Second is this, and third is this, all these. And now a few more are left. Let me show you how they are. They are beautiful. They are looking beautiful so far. Everything is good. I have to move them carefully. There is another plant here. Okay, I think so. This one is a gay variety, and this variety is very expensive. So here is the gay variety. It has a small plant. This one is expensive. So it also have a little baby attached. I think its price is 1200. It is expensive for all of them. Okay, let me remove the other plant. Okay, let me remove both at the same time, otherwise they get okay, carefully. Okay, so here's the other plant, the last 2 plants maybe, because I purchased 3 this, 1 this and 1 this and 2 this. So these are the last plants. Okay, here's another this variety, and it is beautiful. Here you can see it is very beautiful, and she adds some extra soil in it with it, so that plant won't get much shock. So it is beautiful. I love it. Let me show you. You can see how beautiful it is. So let me place this plant somewhere here, and then place it here. Okay, now this one is the last one. Let's open this up. I will plant them today in about 50% peat moss and 50% perlite. Okay, here's the last one. So here is the last one. It is also very beautiful. I just love it so much. Okay, so this is the plant. It has closed leaves, and these 2 have little bit open leaves, but they are all of them are beautiful. So this is my shopping. Hope you will like it. If you like it, please hit subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.